Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Do you need an SSN to use Revolut? I know that a lot of people are interested in using Revolut, but they're not sure if they can because they don't have an SSN. So, I'm here to clear up the confusion and tell you exactly what you need to know. Before I get into the answer, let's talk a little bit about what Revolut is. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including a prepaid debit card, currency exchange, and banking. Revolut is available in over 35 countries and is used by millions of people around the world. Answer. So, do you need an SSN to use Revolut? The answer is no, you don't. Revolut does not require an SSN to open an account or use their services. Explanation. Revolut is able to verify your identity without an SSN using other information, such as your passport or driver's license. This is because Revolut is not a bank, so it is not subject to the same regulations as banks. Benefits of using Revolut without an SSN. There are a number of benefits to using Revolut without an SSN. First, it allows you to access a wide range of financial services that may not be available to you otherwise. Second, it can help you save money on currency exchange fees. Third, it can give you more control over your finances. Additional information. In addition to the benefits mentioned above, there are also some things to be aware of if you are using Revolut without an SSN. First, you may not be able to use all of Revolut's features, such as the ability to get a credit card. Second, you may be subject to additional fees or restrictions. So, there you have it. You do not need an SSN to use Revolut. If you are looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage your finances, Revolut is a great option. If you are interested in learning more about Revolut, I encourage you to check out their website or download their app. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.